Satnam, and welcome to this guided morning breathwork session. This is an 11-minute session that will help you kickstart into your day full of life force and activated energy within you. Please sit down for this practice, ideally cross-legged. You can also kneel or sit on a chair. Close your eyes down and start pulling your attention on to the breath. Simply thinking the word inhale as you in-breathe, and thinking the word soften as you out-breathe. Give yourself permission to land in the present moment with the next 3 breaths you take. Slow and deep inhale, soften on the exhale. In-breathe into the belly, gently up to the chest. Exhale, let yourself melt onto the surface beneath you. Inhale from the belly up to the heart, feeling how the lungs hug the heart as they expand, and exhale, allowing the heart to receive space again. Now for the coming moments, I'll be guiding you through an active breathing rhythm. There will be 2 breath cycles, and in between those, we will receive the space in between the breath. In that breath retention, I will pull your attention to truly listening inwards and feeling how all of your cells activate and calibrate to the frequency that arises through the breath cycle. As you hear the beat arise and as you hear the breath, simply tune in, find your way, in breathing into the nose, out breathing out the mouth. In breathing into the nose, out breathing out the mouth. In breathing deep into the mid and lower belly. Exhale, let the belly drop into place again. Stay with that rhythm and allow every breath to deepen, witnessing how your lungs expand a little bit more with every breath you take. Stay with that rhythm. And as those small tingles of activation arise within your body, yet at the same time the stillness in your mind remains and is enhanced, stay with that rhythm. Keep with that rhythm for a little longer, trusting that even if that activation feels new and different, it comes from your breath, ancient ally who's been with you since the dawn of your very existence. All right, my friend, take one more breath in. Exhale, and go for a deep and steady inhale into the lower belly, mid-belly, chest and heart, up to the neck, all the way to the top of your lung capacity. And once you arrive there, you hold that breath in. Squeeze the space between your sex organs and anus, your mula bandha, pull that lock. 3, 2, 1. Exhale out the mouth. Exhale. Exhale all the air out, and once you arrive at the state of empty lungs, you remain there, and you simply start witnessing how that calibration within you starts happening for you. All of your cells vibrating, resonating back to the frequency of the life force you have just fueled yourself with. It's time for a deep and steady inhale now. Breathe into the fullest, into the lower belly, mid-belly. into the heart space, into the chest, into the neck, and all the way up to the head. And once you arrive on top of the inhale, you hold it in, squeeze the space between your sex organs and anus, pull those muscles in and up. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, exhale, exhale all the way. And as the rhythm arises again, find your way into the second cycle of this journey, of this activation. Breathing into the nose and out the mouth, feeling how there is more ease with every breath, and how you can enjoy each inhale and exhale a little more. Stay with that rhythm. Let it take you on a journey. Let it activate you. In, breathe, expand. Exhale, settle. In, breathe, grow. Exhale, let go. Inhale, thrive. Exhale, arrive. In, breathe. Let go. Stay with it just a little longer. Alright, my friend, find your way into a deep and steady inhale. One more time into the lower belly. Breathe in to the heart space. Breathe up to the neck, to the head. And once you arrive at your fullest, you hold that breath in. You squeeze the Mula Bandha space between sex organs and anus. You pull the belly button in and up. Roll your eyes up to the space between the eyebrows. Hold it in. 3, 2, 1. Exhale out the mouth. Exhale all the air out of your lungs. And once you arrive at the base of your exhalation, you stay there and you start witnessing those tingles in your fingers, arms, in your shoulders and neck, and in your feet. Stay in that breath retention and witness how all the cells in your body are calibrating back to the blueprint of prana, life force, moving through all of that you are. Now find your way into a deep, steady inhale. Slow it down, in, breathe, and really enjoy as you slow down that inhale. Once you arrive on top, you hold it in just for a brief moment. And exhale, soften. And start finding your way back into your natural breathing rhythm. Your own flow of in and exhales. Return to it and simply take a minute to feel the after effects of this activation. Whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes, take off the blindfold if you used one. Welcome yourself back into the space that you're in. And may this activation have brought you joy, peace, balance, and a sense of courage and empowerment to take the day ahead as a blessing and as a gift. If you enjoyed this guided breathing practice, thank you so much. I'm humbled and deeply grateful that you experienced this. Please subscribe and leave in the comments how this session is for you. And if you'd like to explore an even longer breathwork immersion, I'll leave you with a link in the description of this video to discover a full sacred breath experience. Check it out, it's truly beautiful, and it will guide you home into the temple of your heart, and from there back to the all-loving one. Sat Nam. I'll see you in another video.